We're gonna get this unboxed. So, give us a little packing slip. Here's the little baffles that go behind the speakers. This should cancel out the back waves that come from the speakers. Pretty nice to include those. Not a lot of other companies include those with their speaker rings. So it's got nice closed cell foam. These can fit any size speaker, which is pretty nice. So no matter what brand or size of speaker you have, these are basically like a universal fit. So we'll see how these go on. All right, so now we're gonna install the speaker rings. So what you're gonna first wanna do is peel a little bit off and then just stick it on to the outer ring of the speaker. And we're gonna slowly just peel back, just line it up. Just keep lining it up as long as you go. Then we're just gonna cut off the excess material right here. And that's all there is to it. And your speaker ring is installed.